In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Stripe payment notifications with Zapier 5 minutes. If you want a quick, reliable alert every time money hits your account, this walkthrough is for you. We'll build a simple automation that listens for activity in Stripe and instantly notifies you in the app of your choice, like email or chat, so you never miss a payment. Start by signing into your Zapier account. From the dashboard, create a new Zap. Think of a Zap as a small workflow. It starts with a trigger and follows with an action. For the trigger, search for and select Stripe. Zapier will ask which event should kick things off. Choose what matches your goal. New payment if you want alerts for successful charges, or new customer if you care about signups. You can change this later, but it helps to decide up front what matters most. Next, connect your Stripe account. Zapier will guide you through a secure connection. If you use both test and live data in Stripe, make sure you're connecting the correct environment for your needs. After connecting, pull in a recent sample so Zapier can see real fields like amount, currency, and customer details. Now set up your action. This is where the notification goes. Pick the destination that fits your workflow: Gmail for an email alert, a team chat app for a channel message, or a marketing tool if you want to log subscribers. Choose the specific action event. For email, select Send Email. For chat, pick Send Channel Message. For subscriber tools, choose Add or Update Subscriber. Each choice opens settings tailored to that app. Map your data fields. This is the magic step. Build a clear subject line and message using Stripe data. Include the amount, currency, customer email, product or description, and a receipt or dashboard link. Connect your chosen destination account and confirm the sender or channel you want to use. Keep the message concise but informative, and consider adding a short prefix like new Stripe payment for easy scanning. Run a test to make sure everything lands where you expect. Check the email or channel, verify the details, then return to Zapier and publish your Zap. Give it a clear name so teammates recognize its purpose, and watch the Zap history for confirmation that events are flowing. That's it. Your payment notifications are now fully automated.